Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting another job out here in Epperson. Busy out there. So we're going to do a two-car with baseboards. So we got a lot of cleanup to do along this baseboard. Gonna have to grind off all this paint and excess mortar. Try to clean it up a little bit, or as best we can. Same thing over here and here. And even though we're not including the apron, we're going to clean it up a little bit for the homeowner. We're going to round over this edge and clean it up. So we're all set up. Just have to get started. Clean all this up. So let's get started. Okay, we're finishing up our two-car garage, full chip with baseboards. Filled the expansion joints for a nice seamless surface. Really cleaned up those baseboards, filled a lot of voids. Rounded over a lot of stuff, rounded over this leaded edge. Filled the expansion joints so we get a nice seamless surface. This color is Domino. So this is a full chip job. We put on a polyaspartic top coat, so this is a lifetime warranty. Rounded over that lead-in edge, cleaned up the apron. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.